How to log in into Verto credit card. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into your Verto credit card account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Google application in your device and simply type Verto credit card. Then after and the results, you need to go to the Verto website. Click on the link of the website and then you will be directed to the home page. At the top right corner, you will see the option of login. Simply click on it. Once you click on login option, you will be directed to the login page of Verto credit card. After that, you need to provide your email and password. Now, if you have forgotten the password for your Verto credit card account, simply click on forgot password. If not, provide your details and click on continue. After that, you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can log in into Verto credit card account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.